Plates move as slow as your
To represent convergent boundaries, we chose chocolate chips because they have a point, and this is representing the plates colliding. When the plates collide, some results are volcanoes, trenches, and mountain ranges. Lithosphere is destroyed at these boundaries. Some examples of a convergent, the islands of Sumatra and Java, and the North American Rockies. In convergent boundaries, the oceanic lithosphere sinks into the mantle during subduction.
They push each other up, making mountains the norm, or subduction occurs and then volcanoes form.
Divergent boundaries. We use the pull-apart licorice to represent the boundaries pulling apart from each other with frosting in between. Seafloor spreading begins at divergent boundaries, so that's why they spread apart. Most divergent boundaries are located near mid-ocean ridges, but some occur on continents. Unlike convergent boundaries, oceanic
Lithosphere is created at divergent boundaries.
examples are the Great Rift Valley and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge.
For transform plate boundaries, we chose an Oreo because you can slide an Oreo apart, which represents the grinding of the plates. Here, lithosphere is neither created nor destroyed. Most transform faults are made up of two pieces of the mid-oceanic ridge. An example of a transform fault boundary today is the San Andreas Fault in California. If this continues, soon the San Andreas Fault will cut off and California will become an island.
Hotspots. The volcanic mountains that make up the Hawaiian Islands have formed as the Pacific Plate moves over a hotspot. Most of these hotspots that have formed have lasted for millions of years. More than 40 hotspots have been identified. In the figure above, the age of each volcano indicates the time when it was over the hotspot. An example of where a hotspot is in Hawaii.
Alright people, that is all for now, but please remember convergent plate boundaries, divergent plate boundaries, transform plate boundaries, and all the events and features you would expect to find at each one. I'll see you next time.